Guys, the video is coming after so long. I'm so sorry for that. Actually, I was having my exam as I was sharing everything with you on Facebook and Instagram. So guys, thank you. First of all, thank you so much for your lovely wishes for my exams. My exam has gone really well. So guys, in this video I am back with the German grammar and a very requested video by you all. And before starting, I will request you that guys, please, if you are new on my channel, then do subscribe German Gyan and keep following German Gyan, and let's begin. So guys, today's topic is prepositions. So this is a very important topic. In this we are having 4 types of prepositions. First is Accusative German Präposition, Dativ Präpositionen, WECHSEL Präpositionen and Genativ Präpositionen. So guys, first of all, let's take a look on Accusative Präposition. So for Accusative, we are having only this much preposition: for, für, which is used as at or around, basically used for time, durch, which means through, gegen, against, ohne, without, entlang, along, bis, till. If we go forward with the dative preposition, then the list is in front of you. Seit means since, nach means after, zu means to, von is used for only places and person, which means from. Aus also means from, but only used for country and states. If we go forward for mit is used for family and friends. Bei is also means same with, but only used for the company. For example, suppose I work for German Gyan, so I will be saying bei German Gyan. I work for German Gyan. Gegenüber is opposite. Let's go to the WECHSEL preposition. See guys, WECHSEL preposition, so many students have some kind of confusion, so let me clear it. WECHSEL preposition is two-way prepositions. Two-way preposition means that they can be used in accusative and they can be used in dative also. So guys, for accusative, wherever we are having the movement, suppose I have picking the AC remote, so I am picking it, the movement is there, the motion is there, the action is there, so that's why they will be using in accusative sentences. And in whatever sentences, suppose I say I am keeping it, the AC remote, so it means that there is no movement, so we will be using in dative. So this is the list in nehmen, hinter, auf, zwischen, an, unter, über, for. And last but not the least, genative preposition and trotz, in spite of, wegen, because of, fear, due to, statt, instead of, and last is während. Während means during. So guys, this was the preposition this was the preposition video for you. And guys, let's do some exercise. So guys, this is your homework, just try to do it, and all the best for it. And if you are having any confusion, then just comment in the comment section, and you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Instagram, and keep following German Gyan. Thank you so much. And guys, for your information, German Gyan provides you online German language training for A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. In fact, German Gyan is providing you offline classes in Delhi, Noida. So guys, and all the classes are available weekends, offline, online. So just enroll yourself and get rolled for German language. All the best, and thank you, and keep watching German Gyan. Thank you so much.